Hi everyone, I'm going to show you real quick how to create a Google Doc on Canvas. Sorry, not on Canvas. Hi everyone, I want to show you how to create a Google Doc. This is what you will be using for your grammar sketchbook. So I just want to show you how to do it in case you've never done it before. So what you would do is you're going to go to Student Login. We're at arc.losrios.edu, okay? And you're going to click on your Los Rios Gmail. Now, if you have another Gmail account that you'd like to use, you can use that one as well. That's fine. What it'll do is it's going to ask you to log in with your password, and then it will take you to this, where it has Canvas, Google, Google Drive, all of these things. We need to go to Google Drive. So you're going to click on Google Drive, and it will take you here. This is my Google Drive, but you guys will have access to another Google Drive. Okay, so then what you're going to do is when you create a document, you'll click New, and then you'll click Google Docs, and it will create a new document that looks kind of like this. So for your grammar sketchbook, I want you to just write your name up here. So I have my name there, but I need you to write your name here. And then you'll write whichever grammar sketchbook it is, and then you'll type your entry. Okay? So that's step one. Then you need to be able to share it with me so that I have access to it. So what you're going to do is click on Share. Okay? And what you'll do is you're actually going to make this so that it says anyone with the link. Okay? So right now it should say restricted. You're going to click anyone with the link. And then you're going to click on Commenter. Anyone with the link is a commenter. And then you're going to click Copy Link. Okay? Then when you go to Canvas to submit your grammar sketchbook, all you're going to do is paste the link into Canvas. Okay? So it should look something like this, and you're going to paste the link in Canvas. So you can either press Control V, or you can right click and press paste. Those will both give you the same option, but you're going to do this for your grammar sketchbook entry number 1. Okay?